It's your girl, Where Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell another friend, and tell your mama and them, because we are litty over here. And without further ado, y'all, in today's video, I treated myself on Amazon lately. Like, I only use Amazon for Prime, like watching TV and stuff. Me and my family, that's all we do is watch movies. We're a movie family. So for real, like, I use my Amazon Prime for movies, but I decided to treat myself. And y'all know my favorite color is purple, right? I decided, and I got a screen protector that's coming, because this is just plastic, but I don't want to take the plastic off until I get the screen protector. But y'all, I decided to treat myself to a purple Game Boy Color. It's crazy because this game, copyright, this was in 98. I was born in 91, so I was like 7 years old. Yeah. And just a little story time. I got a Game Boy Color. Ooh, I was young. I probably was around in the single digits. I think that's when I was going through my tomboy stage. Y'all excuse my hands is ashy. But I was going through my tomboy stage, and I was into games heavy. Like, me and my brother were 4 years apart, and we've always been into games. Let me see, what game systems did we had? Whether they were new or used, we had the Dreamcast, we had the GameCube, we had PS1, the PS2, Nintendo Wii, Nintendo 64. Did we have that? I'm not sure. We had the PSP, the Game Boy Color, the Game Boy Advance. Y'all, we was in the games, basically. We was in the games. We was in the Yu-Gi-Oh cards, Pokemon cards, real nostalgic stuff. So I remember my mom, she would always tell us, to write a list. And me and my brother, like, we would always look at the circular back when Toys R Us was a big thing, like when they would be on TV, or they would have the big book. And so my mom was like, make a list, and she'd be like, don't get ridiculous now. So we would make our list, and basically the first couple items we would put what we really wanted, and whatever was like at the bottom of the list would be like stuff we really didn't care about, but we knew we would still get, like tennis shoes, clothes, stuff like that. We knew we would get that, but that wasn't a priority. So I remember one year for Christmas, I just wanted a Game Boy Color. I didn't care what color, I didn't care what games, I just wanted a Game Boy Color because I was in my Game Boy phase. And I'm just like, a handheld Game Boy? And like during this time I was still into the Tamagotchi Gigapets. I was into stuff like that heavy, so I was into handheld things. So around this time, I knew the deal about Christmas. I knew the deal about Santa Claus, and how I found out is me and my brother, we always been nosy. We always been the two stooges. If we would have had another brother or sister, we would have been the three, but since it was just both of us, we was the two stooges. We was always getting into stuff. Whether I had him sneaking, getting Capri Suns and fruit snacks and treats, or I'd be getting them and he'd be the lookout, or I'd be the lookout. Like, we always been two peas in a pod. So I remember one day, I think it was at my Nana's house, and just snooping around, found the stash in the closet, and we like, oh my gosh, we happy because we seen we got everything we wanted. And I think, like, I had asked my mom, like, so mom, is Santa really real? And she looked at me puzzled, because I'm at this age where I was still believing in Santa, but I peep game. And she like, why you ask me that? And I was like, because me and Meal, that's my brother's nickname, me and Meal, we was playing, and we had went into the closet because we was looking for something. She's like, what was y'all looking for? Because y'all always looking for something. Y'all just nosy. I was like, we was looking for something, and we came across some stuff. And she was like, I should take it back. And then that's what she, told us the deal. And we was like, we really didn't care. We really didn't. And then it's just like, realistically, where we lived at, was Santa really coming to the hood? But anyway, that's neither here nor there. And plus, we ain't had no chimney. And plus, we had a deadbolt on our front door. We only had one way in, one way out. How was Santa coming through there? I'm just saying. But yeah, I remember that was that. But anyway, back to the story. So I remember on my list, I wanted a Game Boy Color. I didn't care what color it was, what games or whatnot. My mom We search, research, research, and by this time I already know the deal. Like she like, we search, we gonna go to this store. She like, we gonna find it. Even when I was in winter, searching, searching, searching. Mind you, this is the new hot thing that just came out. We going to the different Toys R Us. We going to the different game stores. We going to the different um just different stores back then that was popping. I think like Kmart, Walmart, and stuff like that. Was Walmart a thing back then? I don't know, but we was going to the different department stores. Couldn't find them. Couldn't find them. We went to this final Toys R Us. It was like far out, and the man was like, "We just sold our last one." And I was just like heartbroken. My mom, she was heartbroken too, because I'm not the type of kid, I'm not ungrateful or anything. I was always did good in school, me and my brother. So, if anything, my teachers would be like, she's talkative. Like every time I would get my Friday folder, they would just say I was talkative. But my grades were up to par. I would make honor roll, attendance, what is it? Summa cum laude and all that stuff. Like I've made all of that stuff through grade school, middle school, high school. So I've never been a problem child. I just been talkative. My mouth always got me in trouble. But anywho, my mom turned to me and my nana was with us, and she was like, as you can see, we was here trying to get that Game Boy. It's sold out. So either I can give you the money, how much I would have paid for the Game Boy, or we'll just have to wait till after Christmas, and then it'll be back in stock and we can get it. And I was like, I'd rather just wait until after Christmas and just, because I didn't want the money. I wanted the Game Boy. So yeah, y'all. So I got the Game Boy. I ended up getting the teal color. I actually got it. It's down in my basement, but it don't work. But yeah, so when I seen this on Amazon for a decent price, it was like $90. And I was like, I gotta cop this. And it was in purple because I wanted purple, since purple is my favorite color. So I decided to get this. And then I went to the game exchange, and luckily they had some games. I ended up getting 3 games, but one of the games didn't work. So I'm gonna take that back. But I ended up going to the game exchange, and I got 2 games that do work. I got Rocket Power, and then I got Rugrats. So it was just so nostalgic. I wanted to come on here and show y'all. And then I also bought me a light, because I had this light too when I had got my Game Boy. Y'all, I would be so thirsty up at night playing my Game Boy in the dark with my little light, thirsty. And it just brought me back to a time when I was young, innocent, didn't have to worry about bills or just being an adult. I just was worrying about being a kid, what I was gonna eat, snacks, and when my mom was gonna get us McDonald's and stuff like that. So I decided to, is this the right one? Oh, this is not the right one. Oh, say swear. It said it worked on Game Boy Color and Game Boy Advance. Let me see. Hold on, y'all. Nope, it don't work. I'm sorry. I wanted this light. It definitely will be going back. Cause why would y'all say it goes to a Game Boy and it don't? A Game Boy Color. Compatible for all Game Boy series. That's a lie. I don't know, but anyway, so that's that. I got something else from my job. When I had went back, they had gave everybody Amazon gift cards. So of course the gift card was just burning a hole in my pocket, and I was just buying stuff. So I bought me a phone case. So once again, I love purple. And this is glittery. I hope this ain't the type of glitter that get on everything. Oh no, it's not. It's faux glitter. So I thought this was cute, and it helps with like the impact and stuff, because I'm not hard on my phones. So I know that's gonna be good. And then how about this little purse, y'all? So I've been so thirsty to get or to find the micro mini Christian Dior lady Dior bag. Couldn't find it. So I got this bag. I thought it was cute. It looks similar to the Christian Dior Lady Dior bag. Plus I use a gift card on it. It really don't matter. So I thought this was cute just to have, because I cannot get my hands on the other one, because I don't know where they be selling it at. But yeah, y'all, this is my mini video that I just wanted to share my Amazon purchases. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.